Welcome to part 2 of our AI Showdown. Today, we're diving into Tripo 3D, one of the top contenders, to see how it stacks up in terms of value and functionality. To showcase the latest update, Tripo is hosting an exciting competition, and the Artificially Ink team is ready to rise to the challenge. Join us as we throw our hat in the ring and put our AI-powered creativity to the test, pushing the limits of what this tool can do. We'll also take a look at Tripo's own attempt to recreate our playable characters, so stay tuned. Hello everyone. I'm R7, your guide as we push these AI tools to their limits. Today, we're tackling a challenge from Tripo, creating a spooky Halloween yard scene. We'll be building our assets using Tripo's latest update, and they've teamed up with Hailuo, an AI-powered video creation tool, to make this even more exciting. For all the details and links, check out the description below. Let's dive in and bring this haunted yard to life. All right, all we need now is a spark of inspiration. Larry, any ideas?
Larry thinks we should have snowmen.
Well, Larry, that's the wrong holiday. How about something a little more undead? Doesn't your zombie friend have some relatives down in Florida? Not quite sure what that means, but sounds like a yes. But first, make sure and smash that like button. While you are at it, hit subscribe so we can keep you in the loop on the latest and greatest AI tools. Let's dive into this experiment and see what we can create. Now that we have a concept to work with, the first step in bringing our Florida Halloween scene to life is to craft some concept images using Leonardo AI, a process we've covered in detail in previous videos. Here's a sneak peek at the unique images we came up with, blending spooky Halloween vibes with a quirky, Floridian twist. Next, we'll load these images into Tripo 3D, generate some incredible 3D models. Now that we've built all our assets, we'll dive into Unity to assemble our scene. But before we get started, let's check in on Larry and the bots. It's been a little too quiet around the base. Larry, what's all that noise? Larry, what is that? Were you guys digging around in the vault again?
Larry was just looking for supplies to help with the project.
Well, now you've unleashed that. You'd better catch it, I'm pretty sure it's dangerous. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive right back into the workflow. Once in Unity, we'll import all our assets and block out the scene with our selected items. To add more life, let's incorporate a few assets from the Unity Asset Store. Per the challenge rules, we'll use Hailuo AI for animation. A quick tip, when using AI video tools, we've found it effective to isolate specific assets first and combine them later. By working on each element individually, we can maximize impact, blending AI and traditional techniques to make our scene shine. Take a look at some of the footage Hailuo generated for us. Here's how we're integrating it seamlessly into our scene. Using a game development technique called billboarding, we'll apply the video to a 3D surface, like a quad, allowing us to place it naturally within our environment. By matching the lighting before submitting images for video conversion, we've ensured the footage feels right at home in the scene, blending flawlessly with our assets and creating a fully immersive experience. Just like that, our scene comes to life. Huge thanks to Tripo 3D for bringing us this challenge, which added a powerful new tool to our workflow. Now creating video scenes is as easy as a single click. Last but not least, here is a peek at Tripo's attempt at creating our spooky Fortnite characters. Watch as they jump into action, blending seamlessly into our game scene. This update has truly delivered some outstanding results. Before we wrap up, it seems Lab Rat Larry and the bots have caused just enough mayhem to prompt the boss to send us new safety posters. With a clear message, don't be a Larry. Right on point, isn't it? You can show some love for the channel by grabbing your own Larry safety poster, along with t-shirts, stickers, and much more from our Redbubble store. Supplies won't last forever, so grab yours while they're still hot. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Goodbye.